Today we're walking through an incredible 3-bedroom penthouse in one of Medellin's most desirable neighborhoods in El Poblado. It's called Alejandría. The property is a top floor unit with only one neighbor, providing ultimate privacy and panoramic views of the city. Let's head inside to take a look. All right, as we open the door here and go to the right, the first thing that you notice is that it has an open concept and a lot of natural light. It's got the high ceilings, it's got art on the wall, enough space for a lot of furniture, TV room area here, and the highlight on the right side here is this little balcony that actually has a view towards the west of the city. Even though you're not on the top of the Alejandría hill, you still have a view. We're gonna walk back inside and go through the dining area. You have enough space for a 6-person dining table here. Going into the kitchen, a lot of space here as well. You've got bar stools, you've got countertops, you've got this big island, you've got the oven and the microwave over there, and you've got the laundry area back there, right next to a social bathroom, or the half bath. You've got this really cool wine rack, which is a great design, but it's also functional, holds all your wine. We're gonna walk through the hallway again and past the doorway here into the back of the property, which is where the rooms are, which is cool because they've separated the rooms with the living area in case you do have guests over, someone wants to go sleep, you don't have all that noise from the front of the property. This is the first guest room right here. It has its own little balcony too, and it does have somewhat of a view. It's mostly greenery and the other buildings next to it, but it's nice because obviously you get a breeze through here. It doesn't have its own bathroom. There is a social bath. There is a half bath next to it. This is the next bedroom. Remember, this is a 3-bedroom. This is a beautiful bedroom with those hardwood floors. It's got its own bathroom. They used the space really nicely to put the bathroom toilet on the right side and then the shower on the left. It's got a king-size bed. All of these are pretty big bedrooms. These older apartment buildings built, bigger rooms as opposed to the newer ones now. This is that full bath here for that 1 bedroom, or the guest bedroom that doesn't have a bathroom in it. This is the master bedroom, giant master bedroom. It's got enough space for a desk, king-size bed. It's got a walk-in closet, as we could see over here. Just beautiful. And of course, the highlight of this, I think, of the whole entire home is this little jacuzzi or bathtub in the back here. It actually has a skylight above it, and the walk-in bathroom here with his and hers sinks. And we're gonna go back and take a look at the view from here. You do have these big windows, and you do have a view towards the northwest of Medellin. Now let's talk about the location. This penthouse is situated in El Poblado in the neighborhood of Alejandría. You're just minutes away from Provenza, whether it's an Uber ride or you want to walk there. You can also walk to the Golden Mile, which is just down the hill, and all of the best dining and shopping and entertainment in Medellin has to offer. If you've been to Medellin and stayed in Alejandría, you know how convenient that neighborhood is. El Poblado is known for its bustling cafes and upscale restaurants and beautiful parks. Whether you're looking to enjoy nightlife or just relax in the area, it's all right here at your doorstep. Let's talk about the investment potential of this property. If you were to rent it out on Airbnb, you can expect to make around $3,500 per month, and that's a conservative number. Whether you're looking for a full-time residence or a vacation rental, the ROI is pretty good. But if you were to negotiate and get the property at about $379,000 US, you'd be looking at an even better return, especially given the demand for luxury rentals in Medellin. To wrap it up, this penthouse offers everything that you would want. Stunning views, a spacious and modern design, and a prime location in El Poblado. Whether you're looking for a home, an investment property, or a little bit of both, this one checks all of the boxes. So if you want to take a look at this one, or maybe you want something completely different here in Medellin, all you got to do is click the link in the description below, fill out the form, and somebody on the team will get back to you as soon as possible. We'll see you guys in the next video.